G'day folks, welcome to my motovlog. Sort of wonderful day and I'm heading down, whoa, tree on the road. Yeah, I'm heading down to Cairns, so if you saw my last watched my last motovlog, I mentioned I had a engine warning light indicating something with twitchy with electronics. It hasn't come up since. Don't know what it was, but this thing's due for a service, so I thought I'd get them to just go over, run the diagnostics over electronics, make sure everything's okay. Maybe even check the health of the battery, make sure it's okay too. It's been it's nearly 4 years old now, so we'll see how it goes. Just heading down Cairns range. This is always not a bad little road. The only problem is being the main highway, there's a fair bit of traffic on it most of the time, so always have to take it easy. Yeah. So, I don't know if you watched my last video upload about my chicken coop, with the coop and the 5 chooks that I've got. They're getting along fine. I'll leave a link somewhere up here if you want to check it out, if you haven't seen it before. Yeah, we got 5, but Mrs. Moz would like to get another 2. So next Monday or next week, I think it is, we'll head to the breeder and pick up 2 more. She's got a couple of hens that are actually started laying anyway, so which is good, what we're after. One apparently is one of those Easter eggers which lays coloured eggs, or blue eggs, because it's got that gene, and the other one, I think it's an Isa brown. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. It'd be good if while they're laying they could maybe encourage the others to do their thing. They haven't started laying yet. I think they're still maybe a tad young, but they shouldn't be too far away, I wouldn't have thought. Although I don't think little Mo will lay, because I reckon he's a rooster. But time will tell. Look at that, Cairns. Last year they ran the Targa Great Barrier Reef car rally, time rally up Cairns range, and they had the range to themselves, and I reckon they would have had a ball. I got some snippets on a video. I'll leave a link at the end if you haven't seen the Targa rally up here. I did some videoing around home and a spot, and then had a look at some of the cars when they were parked up at the high school. Should be the last main bend of Cairns range, and we're pretty well at the bottom now. Going to do one stop first before heading into town. What do you reckon, Mario? This one's for you. Stopping at Bunnings. For those of you who don't know Mario, look, I'll leave a link to his channel. Go and check him out. Always worth a view. Always good fun. Look, I'll even park here. Well, morning folks. Yesterday I came out of Bunnings and I was going to finish the vlog off, but I forgot to turn the video back on, so yeah, didn't quite get it. So I thought I'd finish it off this morning. Just left the motel and just heading to the BMW service centre. It's nice and cool this morning here in Cairns, and yeah, just to drop the bike off. I'll try and get there first thing in the morning. They open up at 8 AM and it's about 20 minutes time. Not going actually into the city. The BMW service centre is on the southern side on the way out. So this is the edge of the CBD. And just heading south and copping all the traffic lights, the red traffic lights on the way. Someone's in trouble. Life in the fast lane. Oh, another one coming through now. Here we go. Oh, excitement in Cairns this morning. Must be an accident somewhere. Anyway, we're coming up to the service centre, so hey folks, have a good one. Please share, like, subscribe, you know, all the usual stuff. If you're new, you can see the subscription button down there on the right. Click that if you want to see any other videos I'll upload. So for now, cheers.